If you can't watch a full podcast, watch a clip instead. You'll be as entertained and as informed. That's my guarantee. That's why you got to subscribe to those cast clips. You were invited to sort of spend time with Pandit Nehru.
तो ऐसे है कि एक तो वो जो ज़माना था उन दिनों इस तरह की सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती थी जो कि आजकल हो गई है. Today the security agencies think that everybody else around is going about is a possible assassin. That used to not be the attitude. And it was a very easy country. क्या कहूँ मैं, when I say it was a very easy country in the sense that कोई इस तरह की restrictions नहीं थी. So when I got accredited, I was at that time, I think I 20 plus or 21.
बुक में आपने 22 लिखा हुआ है.
About that maybe.
हाँ.
And so, yeah, 22. So then, naturally, when you credited the government of India, you have access up to the Prime Minister.
At 22, that young an age.
Yes, anybody, once you're accredited, और उस ज़माने में वो रूल नहीं थे ना, तरह तरह के रूल के, इतने साल एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, फिर एक्रेडिटेशन मिलेगी, फिर ये होगा, फिर वो होगा. एंड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस वाज लुक्ड आफ्टर ओनली बाय एन इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर. Press Information Bureau, which is a huge organization these days. I don't know why do we need such a huge organization. There was only an information officer who used to look after the Prime Minister's office. And I went to him that I wanted to cover a day with the Prime Minister. So he said, okay, I'll check out. Attitude was positive. Maybe the British had just left. And that training was different. And so I got the permission. So I went there. It was all fun. I was like this, the young fellow, and there were all these Punjabis who were there. There were a lot of Punjabis there, that people, refugees who had come, whom Panditji had accommodated, like Bimla Sindhi and so on. I mentioned their names. So they welcomed me. So they said, better, wait. So I sat there, had a cup of tea. So Panditji came at about 4 o'clock or 4:30, whatever time it was. So I was introduced. Panditji looked at me, and all he told them was, "Dhyan rakho iska."
हिंदी में बोला उन्होंने.
हाँ, तो बोलते हिंदी में थे भाई.
अरे मतलब क्योंकि हम ऐसा करते हैं ना, हमारे लिए अब क्या है, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को हम लोग जानते हैं कि हमने हिस्ट्री बुक्स में पढ़ा है, चिल्ड्रंस डे उनके नाम पे है. आजकल जो है पॉलिटिकली बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं नेहरू ने ये गलती करी, वो गलती करी. आप तो यू मेट द मैन, नो? सो आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर.
देखिए ऐसे है, गलती कौन नहीं करता. He was the first prime minister, don't forget that. And the greatest thing he has left with us, for which, I mean, I have criticized him for various things. It's not that I have not criticized him. The greatest thing he gave us was the effect of education, these IITs. He got the constitution through. Look at Pakistan. They couldn't get their constitution through. What did Jinnah achieve for Pakistan?
An unstable country at best.
Nothing. कुछ क्या मिला उसे? What did Nawab Zada Liaquat Ali Khan, who was the first prime minister, what did he get? He was shot dead. But our leaders, not only Panditji, there were other leaders too, like Babu Rajendra Prasad, it's all the top leaders. They worked hard and got us our constitution. And not only constitution, Panditji saw through 3 elections. And those 3 elections have left Indian people with the habit of going to polls and knowing that this government belongs to us. This is perhaps the single biggest achievement of him as Prime Minister. He could have, if he wanted to be a dictator like any other guys these in Africa and so on, he could have been one. Nobody could have stopped him. Maybe the army could have stopped him, but I don't know that. But